Ready for the cinnamon challenge?
This is the cinnamon challenge.
Alright,
go.
You gotta count down.
What's that? Go?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Daniel, that looked like you guys were burping. Wait, Papa, wait! Papa, That was so spectacular! Dad, did you This is so gross! Are any of you puking yet?
Oh my god, that was horrible.
Papa,
Daniel, when you coughed, it was all like this. You could just see the connection. Daniel, it was like this. Daniel.
Dude.
It looked like you farted out of your mouth.